I gotta read the quick note. Somebody gave me a note last night. So Warlock and Fox. Warlock and Fox can't make it tonight. Got too much coursework. Fucking students. See you in Filth about March the 23rd. RA. I don't know. Made sense to him. Doesn't make sense to me. We'll just have to wait a few seconds, you know. These guys are, you know, they smoke too much drugs, so they've got to get their act together, you know. Hey, before you get interrupted, the